So right now what you're viewing is a ton of birds that I have just noticed are flying into the yard after the rain has come. And you can see them and they're all in the yard. And wow. I think they're going after the worms. It has just recently rained, so I think that's what they're doing. But this is just crazy. It started out with one, and I thought she was injured, and then all these came. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try and get it a little higher. They're kind of hard to see, but they're all over there. See little specks. But if you check it out over here, you can see them a little more, and they're all in my neighbor's yard, and it's just crazy.